Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta on PC using Steam, Battle.net, or the Xbox app. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Click on the search bar and type Modern Warfare 4. Look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta in the search results. Open the game page. Scroll down until you find the option to install the Modern Warfare 4 Beta. Click Install Game. Then, click Install Now. Steam should begin preparing the installation. If you click Install Now and nothing happens, go to your library, locate Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta, select the game. You should see an Install button on the game page. Click Install. Choose the installation location if Steam asks you to. Then continue with the installation and wait for the beta to finish downloading. If you want to install the beta using Battle.net, open the Battle.net launcher, sign into your account, look for Modern Warfare 4 Beta, then click Install. Choose the drive where you want to install the game, then click Start Install. Battle.net will begin downloading the Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta. If you are using the Xbox app, open it on your PC. Click the search bar, type Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta. Open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta from the search results. You should see an option that says Get Free. Click Get Free. Then click Get. Continue through the installation window. You should now see Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Beta listed as a required component. Make sure the beta is checked. Click Next. Continue to the next screen. Then click Install. Wait for the Xbox app to download and install the game completely. And that's all there is to it.